Hey guys, it's Britt. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening up some more Pokemon cards. So let's go. I got these from Walgreens. Not really sure what to expect. I see some Surging Sparks. I've also never opened up the Trick or Treat, so I'm excited to see what those are. And then it looks like we have a Shrouded Fable too. And I'm curious what this card is. Let's hope it's a cute Eevee, okay? Because God bless little Evie, okay? Okay, here we go. We're busting open the blister pack. I'm gonna grab the packs. Oh, there's quite a bit in there. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, it's a Palkia. I actually love that. Look how cute. I just love the art, you guys. Love that. Okay. And then we have Trick or Trades and then Surging Sparks, Shrouded Fable. So let's open up the Trick or Trade first because I want to see what these are. Doesn't feel like there's many in there. 3. Give me a Mew. No, I'm just kidding. So, okay, let's see. I did get a Fluttermane. That's a cute little hollow. I'll take it. I wonder what these are for. Like, I know they're for the card game, but like, what series? Or I'm just a little confused. They have like little pumpkins on them, so I'm thinking, do they come out around Halloween? Okay, so here we go again. Oh my god, I got a Pika. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at that little nugget. Look how happy. Happy Pika. Okay, so far so good with these. I was thinking they were going to be less than impressive. So I'm actually enjoying opening them more than the Destin Rivals I opened up the other day. Let's go one at a time. Oh, I love that one. Little screen tail. Okay, and then we have, ooh, a little Gengar. I love that too. And then the third card. Houndspoon. Okay. This is our last pack of the Trick or Trade. So, oh my gosh, I would love it if we got a Clefairy. Oh yeah, I would love that. Okay, here's the first card. Okay, little Houndstone, I'll take it. And then we're gonna do the non-foil now. A Haunter. And then here is the foil. Oh, a little Mimikyu. I love it. I love it. Those were actually a pretty fun cards to open. I think if I see those again, I might pick some up. Because there are actually some cute ones to put in the binder. Okay, is this on? Yes, okay. All right, and then this one is Surging Sparks. Let's hope for Pika. Or, oh, there's so many good ones, you guys. Let's just hope for the best. Code card. And then I'm going to say Electric for Pika. Oh, dang it. Okay, here we go, you guys. Come on, Pika. Come on, Pika. If I got it, I'll do like a high pitched Pika sound for you guys. Oh, dang it. I did not get it, but that's okay. What did we get that was good? Zarude. Uh, oh, actually, I didn't see that trainer card. I did get a reverse hollow trainer card too. Okay, so last pack, you guys, Shrouded Fable. Oh, give me something good. Okay, so we have the code card. And then I'm gonna say fighting. And okay, here we go, you guys. You guys, you already know what I'm about to say. God bless little Evie, okay? But is that not the cutest little Evie? Wouldn't you snag that little Evie up and just snuggle? Heck yeah. Oh, I do love that one too, a little horsey. Come on, give me something good. Oh, I do love a little Sylveon. You know I love the evolutions, you guys. Ooh, a Persian. Ooh, a Zoroark. I think I already have that card, but I'll take it. All right, you guys. So that was actually pretty fun opening up the TCG Lightning set. There was, I think, 4 packs of Trick or Trade, and then there was 1 pack of Shrouded Fable, and then 1 pack of Surging Sparks. So I feel like the Trick or Trade ones were actually a little bit more fun. I don't know. I got better cards, I feel. Okay, so let's open up this little baby. Oh, I doubt it's in here, but if there was any prismatic, if there was prismatic, I might die. Here we go. All right, so we got a Darkrai. You guys can see that. Ooh, and Sableye and Spiritomb. Gosh, it reminds me of Arceus. Ugh. I'm like nervous for ZA to come out because I didn't like Violet. It's not the same as Arceus. It was just, I don't know. I hope the new one is good. All right, and then in the tin, you guys, we had Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames, and then base set Scarlet Violet. So that's actually, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so let's start with Paradox Rift. And then again, I got these from Walgreens, you guys. Every once in a while, they have them in stock. They're just not the least desirable ones, like I don't think I've seen any like they're basically these sets they carry is what I'm trying to say. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna say here's a code card, but I'm gonna say water. Water for sure. Okay, well, there's that. Okay, so here we go. Come on. Oh, I do love that. It's a little cutie. Oh, I love that. A little vanilla. Vanillish. Golisopod. I've never seen that one. Okay, eh, I'll take it. Anything to add to the binder. Okay, so then we have base set, right? Yeah. And we have the code card. There we go. And I'm gonna say fire. Okay, I have a good feeling about this, you guys. What was that base set? Oh, let's hope for something good. Here we go. Here we go. I see something back there, you guys. Ooh, a Koraidon. I'll take it. That's cute. I like that. It ain't my fave, but it ain't my least fave. Okay. So now we're down to our last pack, Obsidian Flames, you guys. Let's hope for a Charizard, maybe. I mean, I wouldn't complain. And we have the code card, and now we don't. Okay, so I'm gonna say fire energy because we want Charizard. Well, I tried. Okay, here we go. Oh, a little clip fairy. That is so cute. A little Togetic. Ooh, a Reverum EX. Never seen that one, but I'll take it. And then we have Thundurus, and that's it, you guys. So not too bad. I feel like the pulls were pretty fun. I do like the lightning pack. That was all the packs, you guys. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all the things. But until next time, bye, guys.